Man, I am so excited today. I got my package from Oregon Stacker and I decided it's time to do my first ever unboxing. Wait till you see the goodies I have here. But unfortunately, I know Oregon, the way he packs. So I'm going to do it in bits and pieces because when I open this box up, there's going to be so much unwrapping. I'm going to have to edit this. So here we go. All right, here goes. I cut the box open, and here's the way Brent packs. Check this out. He gives me free packing envelope. There's one. There's two. So gives me free envelopes. There's one box package. There's another. There's another. And another. Now I have to open these up. Oh, I got three of them. Three free ones. All right, let's continue. All right, here we go with part 3. I got the packages cut open. Check this out. Another box. And there we go. Now I have 2 more to do. All right. So here's part 4. These are the 2 boxes that he sent me. I'm gonna open them up. I had to cut them open first to show you Brent's great packing. I'm opening up the boxes. And here I have another envelope. And let's see. I had to do this on my desk because I do not have space near my computer. Here's one. There's one. And there's another one. Be right back. All right, I think I'm ready. By the way, thanks Morgan Silver Treasure for sending me the stickers. I just got them today from this logo design I did for you. Appreciate it. And by the way, Brent, you didn't send me your Frisbee. I never got a Frisbee sticker from you. Just letting you know. All right, here we go. Here's one. Another. Another. Oh, these are goodies. These are real goodies. Another. I think I know what that is. Another. Oh, this is going to be a great unboxing. So, let's start off with the little guys. All right, first one, got this. Beautiful. 1953 A silver certificate. That is really cool. Put that there. Next item. Got, oh, more wrapping. Lovely. Just to drag this on a little bit more. Oh, this is going to be long. Pause time. All right. The next item I got, 1934D peace dollar. Wow, that is really cool. I think that's a key date. Put that there. This one says bonus. Thank you, Brent. You always send me a bonus. I'll be willing to bet it's Barber. Oh, wow. Thanks, Brent. Wow. 1914. S. Is it a bonus? Wow. That I did not expect. Thanks, Brent. Wow. Stick that there. And the next one is, looks like a 1913S Barber. Oh, more unwrapping. Be right back. I think we got there. This is also a key date. Man, this is like a $45 coin. Wow. Glad I picked that one up. Next, got two more. Time to pause again. There we go. Got 1972 Philippine peso. Wow, that's really cool. Hope I'm picking this up. Hope it's in focus. Wow, that's really neat. Love my Philippine coins. The next one is 1908S, 1 centavo. Can I get that in focus? There we go. It's really cool. All right, let's pause it again. All right, this one is what do we got here? 1926. Standing Liberty. Really cool. Nice quarter. Going into my deep stack. I don't collect too many of them, but I wanted that. And this one is a 1926S. There we go. That's cool. Really cool. More to unpack. And this, oh, I've been wanting to get this for a long time. Finally got this off my bucket list. And you got to do my Christmas shop, Christmas wrapping, Brent. 2017 half ounce PF 70 Ultra Cameo Titty coin. That is really great. Wow. Next, got here? Oh yeah, I remember this. "5-ounce Egyptian King Tut." That's going to be hanging on my desk. The Relic series. I think it's from 2016? I think it's from 2016. That is really a beauty. Alright. And I got another one. Be right back on this one. Alright. This is the one I never thought I would get. They were doing games over the weekend. And when I saw this, baby, I wanted it. Let's see if I can get this thing open. That is Ultra High Relief Australian Wedgetail 2021. Yep. The COA Ultra High Relief 2-ounce coin. Wow, look at that. That is so awesome. Reverse proof 69, first day of issue 2021P. Isn't that a beaut? So I decided to do an unboxing, my very first one, because this has been a long time since I purchased this many items at once. And I wanted to share this with everybody because I know most people, they don't care about watching people's unboxings, but this is my first and probably only one. So I hope you enjoy it. Oh, I just wanted to share one other thing. Because this has been on my desk. I got this from Brent a couple weeks back. The Invictory coin. This is really friggin' awesome. 2022 High Relief Antiqued. This is sitting on my desk. This is pretty awesome. And I got from the Wounded Warrior Project special case from Dusk to Dawn, 2-coin series, serialized. I was highest bidder on this. It's really cool. Comes with COAs. And another one from my desk. And I got this from Mad Stacker. I bought these individually, and I decided to buy a case from APMEX to put it in. That is really an awesome set. Alright, I guess I'm done showing off. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it. See you soon.